हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 7 इंग्लिश के लेसन 3.1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वर्ड्स दैट मीन द फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा। फर्स्ट है गोल्ड हैमर्ड इनटू अ फ्लैट थिन शेप। आंसर बीटन गोल्ड। नेक्स्ट, शो ऑफ प्राउडली। आंसर फ्लॉन्ट। Next, tilt move at an angle. Answer slant. Next, across spatially in a slanting direction. Answer earthward. Second question, find the names of the exotic musical instruments and animals mentioned in the poem. Answer exotic musical instruments: trumpet, flute, mandolin, harp. Animals: peacock, tiger, fish. Third question. In the last stanza, there are four-letter words that refers to a beautiful valley. They are. Answer glen, dell, well. Fourth question. From the poem, find three lines that use comparisons. First है yellow as honey, red as wine. Next है and clustered thick as seeds. Next, her trembling lake like formless seas. Fifth question, color, sound and image from nature add to the beauty of a poem. Tartary is a perfect example of the above. Pick outlines that contain. Answer color. First है yellow as honey, red as wine. Next, a river silver pale. Next, in every purple well. Sound. First है trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me. Next, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. Images from nature. First, and in my court should peacocks flaunt. Next, and in my forest tigers haunt. Next, and in my pools great fishes slant. Sixth question. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. First है sweet and gay music. Next, silver pale river. Next, scented breeze. Next, trembling lake. Last है bird delighting citron trees. Seventh question. Write about the daily routine of the Lord of Tartary in 8 to 10 lines. Answer. The Lord of Tartary wakes up at dawn. Then he wears his robe, carries his sword, and rushes out on a zebra-drawn chariot. He enjoys a ride through the dark valley of Tartary, which have beautiful rivers, lakes, and vegetation. As he returns from his morning ride, trumpeters invite him for the morning meal. Thereafter, he sits in his court where peacock dance. He takes a walk through the entrance of his palace, hearing the roaring of his forest tigers. He enjoys watching the fish swimming sideways in the pools of his garden. Then trumpeters again invite him to the evening meal. After having supper, a group of musicians play him harp, flute, and mandolin. Finally, at night, he goes to his bedroom to sleep on the ivory bed. It question, using your imagination, write about the beautiful region, its landform, water bodies, flora and fauna, night sky, people, etc. Answer. The region that I imagine is surrounded by high big mountains and beautiful valleys. It has blue rivers and a large clear lake in the middle. Beyond the mountains there are thick forests which home to white elephant, deer and snow leopard. In the month of December and January, the region is covered with snow. During the rest of the year, the weather is pleasant, neither too hot nor too cold. There are many gardens with red, white, and pink roses and flowering trees that bloom all year long. At night, the sky is full of shining stars, and the bright moonlight makes the whole region look silver and peaceful. The people living here are kind, honest, and peace loving. They spend their time near the lake or in the gardens enjoying the beauty of nature. It is truly a land of peace and happiness, my dream region. Ninth question. Language study. Consonants. Consonants is a repetition of one or more consonant sounds, especially at the end of words. Consonants is usually pleasant to the ear. Examples. First है Peter, patter, Peter, patter. Next, river, silver, pail. Next, the lint was sent with the tent. Next, all's well that ends well. Find at least two examples of consonants from poem that you study in this book. Answer. Her river silver pale. Next, her trembling legs like formless seas. स्टूडेंट यह हमारे लेसन 3.1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।